Alright guys, good evening and welcome to the Duplin County Motor Speedway Firecracker 400 Mod Edition. From South Carolina, we've got Puff. Then CRK is up on the track, ready to roll. And we got Puff. We ain't got many cars today in the mods. But first off the trailer will be Puff going in lane number 1 versus CRK. Here we go. Oh, CRK goes a 1458 to Puff's 1463. And we'll switch lanes. Alright, CRK in lane number 1. Puff going in lane number 2. He's got to beat a 1458 to move on. Here we go. Oh, and CRK goes a 1447 to Puff's 1462. And CRK will move on. Next up, we've got Puff in lane number 2 going up against Flip. Here we go. And Flip goes a 1437 to Puff's 1464, and we'll switch lanes. Alright, Puff's in lane number 1. He's got to beat a 1437 to move on. He's in 1, Flip in 2. Let's see it. Woo! Puff goes a 1433 to Flip goes a 1433 to Puff's 1461, and Flip will move on. Alright, next up, we've got another Puff car going in lane number 1. Taking on Flip's number 7. I don't know what this car run like, but we'll see. Oh, I hope both of these cars, I hope we got some more track records today, guys. It's going to be good. Here we go. Puff in 1, Flip in 2. Woo! There it is, guys, just like I talked about. I predicted. Oh, I was thinking. There it is, a new track record at a 1456 from the great state of South Carolina. From is Flip. Got a new track record here in the mod race. Flip. We'll switch lanes. Alright, so Flip just broke the track record. It was a 1428, now it's a 1426. Puff's got to beat that. He's in 2, Flip's in 1. Woo! Flip goes a 1438 to Puff's 1472, and Flip will move on. Alright guys, we're back. So Flip is going to get a free pass in the first round, and he's going in lane number 1. He'll get a bye in the next round. Woo! Flip's car goes a 1428. Woo! 1428, and he will go into the next round. Alright, so next round will be 3 Flips and 1 CRK. And them 4 will move on, and then Puff will fight for the 5th and final spot. Alright, guys, we're back. So, first off the trailer will be CRK taking on Flip. Alright, so here it is. CRK going in lane number 1 versus Flip in 2. Here we go. Flip goes a 1431 to CRK's 1448, and we'll switch lanes. Alright, so Flip in 1, CRK in 2. Got to beat a 1431 to move on. Here we go. See, can we break another track record here? Ooh, flip goes a 1436 to CRK's 1458, and flip. We'll move on. Next up, we got flip. And going in lane number 1. Taking on the track record holder. Flip, number 7. Going in 1458. Here we go. Going in lane number 2. Flip versus flip. Here we go. Woo! All right, the blue card of flips goes a 1432 to flips number 7 to a 1437, and we'll switch lane. All right, flips blue number 7 has got to be the 1432 to move on. Here we go. Flip's card goes a 1431 to the number 7, 1433. Tell you what, guys, you can't get no better much than that, man. They're just like on equal value. You know what I mean? So, the blue card will move on to the finals versus it's going to be another flip racing in the finals. But before we get to that, we're going to have a 3rd and 4th place race, and then we'll move on to the 5th. Actually, I'm going to put that one. We're going to go Puff versus Puff. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see which one will get the 5th place spot. We'll face the other one. All right. This one, the number 20 car Puffs will face this one. They only get one race. So, that one will move on. All right, guys, here we go. Let's see. This car's the flips. Puffs getting into the position here. Oh, the number 9 goes a 1468 to the number 20's 1469. And claim it. 5th place on the podium will be number 9 of number 6 of Puff. All right, next up, we've got the track record holder, Flip, number 7, going in lane number 1 versus CRK going in lane number 2. Here we go. Flip in 1, CRK in 2. Here we go. 3rd place on the line. Oh. Well, anyhow, that's a new track record at a 1423. Good God Almighty, broken again. Oh, Flip. Whew. Flip, boy. Oh, my gracious. Flip goes to 1423. And we'll switch lane. All right. Flip broke his own record. He's got a 1423 new track. As you can see, nothing on the track. Here we go. CRK's got to be the 1423. We'll see, can he do it? Woo! Flip goes to 1424. The CRK's 1443. 2. And Flip will take 3rd place. Even though he's the new track record at a 1423. Y'all just remember that. In the finals, we got Flip, blue car, taking on Flip, black car. Here we go. Let's see what we can do. Woo! Flip goes, black car goes a 1431 to the blue car's 1433. We'll switch lane. All right, so The black car is in the one. It just run a 1431. The blue car, a flip. It's got to be the 1431 to win. So we'll see what happens. Oh my God! We got a new track record again. Been broken 3 or 4 times today. Flip. Blue car goes 1421 to other flips car, which is another second best, another track record at a 1420. Oh my gracious. We can tell why people say he is the fastest man in the world. And I truly believe it. 1421. Flips 3 cars have broke all track records today here at Duplin County Motor Speedway in the mod proportion Firecracker 400. All right, so we'll get to it. All right, guys. So the final from the Duplin County Speedway. 5th place will be Puff. 4th place will be CRK. 3rd place, the former track record holder, number 7, Flip. The 1422, the second highest, is Flip's black car. And the new track record at a 1421. And that's Flip's blue car at a 1422. But congratulations to Flip, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd here at the Duplin County mod race here to Firecracker 400. Remember, like and subscribe, and we'll tune in here later on and see who wins the stock portion of the Firecracker 400. Y'all remember, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Congratulations to Flips Racing on the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and several track records today, which he broke.